So what to expect with the refinance process. The very first step is getting your income and asset documents in, and all that means is some of the basics. A copy of your driver's license. If you're a normal W-2 employee, it'll be just a couple recent pay stubs, a couple years of W-2 forms, copy of your mortgage statement just so we know, hey, we're paying off B of A or Wells or whoever it is, and a copy of your homeowner's insurance. What happens next is we just build a file, we pull credit, we review the numbers with you, make sure this saves you X amount of money, it costs this much, and it's worth your time and is a good financial decision. From there, loan disclosures go out to you. We discuss if you want to lock in that interest rate. Rates change daily, so we want to make sure that, do you like this? Awesome, let's lock it in. Once those initial disclosures are done, if we need an appraisal, we'll order one, but we're getting a lot of appraisal waivers, so that process is skipped a good amount of the time. And then we submit the file to underwriting. You sit back and it may take several days for underwriting to take a look, and almost always they're gonna ask a couple follow-up questions. Maybe we need an updated pay stub, or maybe they don't understand this on your credit report, and it's usually easy, simple stuff. The whole process typically takes about 3 to 4 weeks. Even though the mortgage industry is very busy right now, our turn times are still really great. But at the very end of the process, what happens is a mobile notary comes to you, especially with COVID. Most people aren't going into title offices. A notary comes to you after work, at your home. You can sign outside to complete the actual signing itself, and that is the last piece to the puzzle. Once that's done, the loan funds, records, and you're 100% done with the process.